Hello, my name is Randy Loafman, and I'm going to share with you my thematic unit that I have been developing over the weeks that I've been in this course. I created or developed a unit on caterpillars and butterflies entitled Oh Me, Oh My, a Butterfly. And this is designed for a first grade level. I believe this is a fun age where children can learn science concepts involving caterpillars and butterflies, and so I just think this will be a fun unit. Students will learn about the life cycle of butterflies and their body parts and their characteristics. They will participate in math lessons that involve number sentences, addition and subtraction facts, as well as patterns. And so right now I want to go ahead and show you my math calendar board. This is called Magnificent Math, and originally I had a big bunny head, but we are in the process of moving and somehow the bunny got packed away. So this is the interactive math calendar board. We've got the calendar, and students will put the date on the calendar every day that we are in school. There are weather cards, these small cards here on the left upper side of the number, and children will come up to the calendar and decide what the weather is like outside that day and place the weather card in the top left corner. Every week we will transfer the weather cards over to our weather graph, and at the end of the month students will be able to see what the weather was like overall that month. So I think that's a neat activity. Here we have the hundreds chart, and we will be counting by 2s and 5s, and also do some odd and even counting, or talking about odd and even numbers. Down here we have place value, and we have hundreds, tens, and ones, and a student will place a popsicle stick in the cup for each day that they are in school. When there are 10 sticks, of course, they'll move over into the tens place. Students will participate in coin counting, and I have price tags here, and I've written 37 cents. A student will come up and dip into these cups and make the correct change to make 37 cents, and they will show the class. I have a ruler, and you can't see it, but there are inches and centimeters on this ruler, and the class will measure an item found in the classroom, such as a pencil or an eraser or a book, and each day we will measure something. We have a clock, and this is an analog clock, and there's Velcro that students will be able to place the correct time on the analog clock using the Velcro. And then down here we have a digital clock, and I like this because it's a dry erase board that I have, and I've created a digital clock frame, the yellow frame that goes around it, and a student will come up and place or write the correct time on the dry erase board to reflect what's on the analog clock. Okay, I'm going to show you my math learning station. This is a game called Colorful Caterpillar, and of course you see here it's a game board, and there are 2 players. A student will roll the dice and move that many spaces, and if they land on say if they land on purple, the partner will pick a purple card. What color comes next in the pattern? Pink, pink, yellow, purple, pink, pink, yellow, and the student must come up with the next color in the pattern. And what they will do is they'll have these circles, and they will use the circles to complete the pattern. And they move through the game board, and whoever gets to the finish circle first wins that particular game. We have the next game or the next activity, Mariposa Math. I speak Spanish, so I named this Mariposa Math, and Mariposa means butterfly in Spanish. And what children do is they will use addition and subtraction facts to solve the butterfly. And this butterfly body says 9, so these are addition and subtraction facts that equal 9. And it will go 0 through 10. And then students will place them in the file folder. There are Velcro strips in the file folder. Next, we have the science learning station. I want students to come to this station and be able to look at books about butterflies. And then one activity they are to do is a butterfly graph. And they will take a yellow card or yellow cards, and they will sort butterflies according to the characteristics that they wish to use. I have black and white, orange, skipper, and blue butterflies. And then I've sorted the butterfly cards that I've made into these characteristics, and I've made a graph. Students will complete a worksheet in which they tell how many pictures are go with each characteristic, go with each yellow card. Next, I have a jigsaw puzzle, and this has to do with body parts and just general information about butterflies and caterpillars. And students will find a question to the puzzle. How many legs does a butterfly have? And they will find the answer, and those two pieces will fit together. And I hand drew these pieces and scanned them into the computer, and then added text through Microsoft Publisher. On the back of each card, there will be a part of a picture, and when students put the puzzle together, they'll turn the puzzle over and they'll find a picture of a beautiful butterfly. That will help them to know that they completed the puzzle correctly. I have put together a notebook, and I will show that to you. I've got the title, Caterpillar and Butterfly Unit, Oh Me, Oh My, Butterfly. And I have the different sections of the notebook under or behind tab dividers. And I've placed them in protective sleeves. So I have the written description. I have the math learning station. I've printed that off each page. I have the science learning station. I have other lesson plans that I've created throughout this course, and then I have the math calendar board. And I hope you've enjoyed this, me speaking about butterflies and caterpillars, and I am anxious to get in the classroom and present this unit to my students. Thank you.